friends! Today we're talking about where animals live, their homes.
First, let's visit a panda in China. Pandas love bamboo forests. They eat bamboo and find comfy spots among the tall bamboo trees. Bamboo forests are peaceful and quiet, just how pandas like it. Bamboo forest, bamboo forest, bamboo forest.
So pandas live where there's lots of bamboo. Got it.
Alright, time to get out your workbooks and grab a pencil, because I have a fantastic exercise waiting for you. Today we are going to match these animals with their perfect homes. Where do you think the panda lives? Is it the Arctic, the bamboo forest, the rocky coastline, or the ocean? What do you think? Well done, it's the bamboo forest, so let's draw a line to connect them. Now we're off to the Arctic, where polar bears live. They are kings of the icy lands. They hunt seals on the sea ice, and the icy landscape helps them sneak up on their prey. But it can be super cold, even for these tough bears.
Arctic? Sounds super cold.
Arctic, Arctic, Arctic. Where do you think the polar bear lives? Is it the Arctic, the bamboo forest, the rocky coastline, or the ocean? What do you think? Well done, it's the Arctic. Let's draw a line to connect them. Next, we're off to coastlines by the sea. That's where sea lions live. They sunbathe on rocks, make lots of noise, and have their babies there. It's like a bustling sea lion city by the ocean, complete with sunbathing, playgrounds for the little ones, and lots of noise. Coastline, coastline, coastline.
Sunbathing and sea lions sounds fun.
Where do you think the sea lion lives? Is it the Arctic, the bamboo forest, the rocky coastline, or the ocean? What do you think? It's the rocky coastline. Well done. So let's draw a line to connect them. Now let's go deep into the forest. Owls call forests home. They live in tree holes or nests in branches, high above the forest floor. Owls live in the trees with a perfect view of their hunting grounds. Forest, forest, forest.
Forests and owls. Got it.
Where do you think the owl lives? Is it the Arctic, the bamboo forest, the rocky coastline, or the ocean? What do you think? Well done, it's the forest. So let's Well done, it's the forest. So let's draw a line to connect them. Now we're diving into the deep ocean. Octopuses are super smart and live in caves way down in the deep ocean. There they find hidden caves where they can rest and hide from bigger predators. Predator, predator, predator. It's like having a secret hideaway in the deep sea.
Deep sea and clever octopuses. Got it.
Where do you think the octopus lives? Is it the Arctic, the bamboo forest, the rocky coastline, or the ocean? What do you think? Well done, it's the ocean. Let's draw a line to connect them. Animals live in different places and their homes are perfect for them.
Ask your grown-up to subscribe to catch the next lesson where we will learn what animals eat.